Welcome to today's episode. Today we're talking about fixing the unapplied cash payment income. Well, what is it? How do we get that in our books? Unapplied cash payment income is an adjustment made by QBO to adjust for accrual basis accounting. So, for example, if a payment is received in September, but the invoice is created in October, well, the cash was received in September. So, on the cash basis, that income should be recognized in September. So, QuickBooks makes that adjustment so that way your book is consistent if you're reporting on a cash basis. So let us take a look at this example. So here we in the profit and loss statement, we see here the unapplied cash from an income. Well, first of all, the first thing we need to do is see what's causing it. So we click on the invoice, look at details, and then we see that we have a payment of $550. Well, let's look at that to see, more details about this. Here we see the payment date is 11/1/2017. However, the invoice is 12/1/2017. Well, we can see that the invoice was created after the payment. So cash basis wise, we recognize the expense in November 11/1, and accrual basis wise, we recognize income in December. So we can see why QuickBooks made that adjustment of $550 because on a cash basis, we really need to recognize the $550 because the cash was actually received for $550. Now, if this was a mistake, the way to fix this error is just to change the date. So like, let's say the invoice was really 10/1, but maybe when we were creating the invoice, we accidentally put the wrong date. So we can easily change that. So we'll change the date. We'll save and close that. And then we can see, okay, the payment and invoice. So once we save and close that, we'll see that we no longer have any unapplied cash payments. And this is good, but what if the dates are correct? Well, unapplied cash payments sometimes don't always have to be fixed because sometimes it's really what is going on in your books. You're receiving payments before the job starts. I mean, there are other ways to account for that, but you can actually make that part of the way you keep your books and part of your work process. In other episodes, we'll talk about alternate ways to keep your books so that way when customers prepay, you don't have to have the unapplied payment account.